little girl. Your back leg hurt? Here. There's a snack for you. There's a snack for you. You want a meatball? Ooh. Oh, we dropped it. It's a roller. Where are we going? Where are we going? Hi. Hi. Oh, hi. You want to be my best friend? Oh my God, look at the nail. Oh, I want to do your nails so bad. Hey, baby. Your ears look like crud. They look like crud, kid. What's the matter? Go in the pool. Go get your pool. Go ahead, get the pool. You pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Get stuck in the grate. Hmm? Did you just get stuck in the grate, little girl? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Oh, is there numbers in there? Do you want to try one of those numbers? Do you want to try a number? Okay. Okay, I'll give you numbers. Let's do some pets though first, okay? Here. Mm-hmm. So good. Hi. Hi. You ate it. You ate it, kid. You're so cute, little Crimp. Oh my goodness, underneath your chin is so soft. It's so soft. Yeah. They're so soft. Oh yeah. Oh, we broke her. I'm not leaving. I just want to leave. I'm old. I gotta leave. You want to go in the pool somewhere? Do you want to go in the pool somewhere, baby? Baby? You're very cute. You're a very cute girl. You can get some water if you want, Mama. Thank you for the kisses. That's so nice. Go get some water, baby. Who's making those sounds? Here. Can you sit? Crimposaurus. Good girl.